My name is Maddie Wagner. I'm a junior at the University of Minnesota Twin Cities, and I'm the manufacturing intern here at the Walbec Group. Today we're at the Larson plant. I'm looking to see if we can move one of the trails across the other side to make more rooms for some washed ponds. A typical day in this internship involves managing the manufacturing processes, the different aggregate sites, and looking at costs. I found it really interesting how manufacturing involves a lot of things behind the scenes. There's always a lot of stuff going on here, and also they've given me a lot of responsibility for only being here a few months.